My name is Eli. I'm a field technician here for Tech Labs in Excal. This right here is the Mod-Weld by APT. They are an integrator. They collaborated the FANUC CRX 10 with a Fronius TPSi 400. This is a robotic welder. The idea is to teach a welder how to program a robot and teach a programmer how to weld a little bit. This is for colleges, tech colleges, high schools, industry as well. The big advantage there having the CRX is the safety aspect. The moment that I bump it, she's going to stop. But the moment that you can reset, she'll keep on going. It's as easy as that. That's why we chose the CRX10 with FANUC as well. A great thing about this is the modular functions on it. Whereas we don't have to have the side wings here, and we actually can have a wraparound curtain if we just had the middle table here, to where nobody's going to be disturbed by any of the weld light, which is great in a classroom setting, if you have a small shop, or in a fabrication setting, you just want to be protected. Fronius itself can go as very basic as you set a weld thickness and it's going to set all parameters for you. Now the cool part is if we can go the other way, and if you are an experienced welder and you really have a dial in that you like, you can absolutely in manual mode adjust and set up exactly down to the amperage, the wire speed, whatever you would like there. When you buy or have any interest in a Mod-Weld or any other kind of Fronius handhelds here, the good thing about us is you get the support. We're going to walk you through it the entire way. We're going to educate you. We're going to show you absolutely everything that it can do. We're going to show you all the safety features on it. We'll show you all the processes that are equipped on the Fronius welder. We want you to use this equipment. We don't want this to be bought and sit in the warehouse. We want this to be used. We want the kids on it. We want in industry, we want parts being made.